Hello students, welcome to Shorabsa's classes. So in today's video we will be solving NDA 2018 mathematics paper. So in today's video we will be starting from question number 50. So in question number 50 it is given the maximum value of this sine x plus pi by 5 plus cos x plus pi by 5 where x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 is attained at 4 options are given: pi by 20, pi by 15, pi by 2. So out of which we need to find the right answer. So for this we know what we have to do. We will simply write down y equals to x plus pi by 5 plus cos pi by 5. So now here what we can do is we'll simply put the value here. So it will be equals to root 2. It will be equals to root 2 into sine pi by 4 into sine x plus pi by 5 into sine pi by 5 plus cos pi by 5 cos x plus pi by 5. So we have this. So we have simply found it will be root 2 into sine pi by 4 into sine x plus pi by 5 cos pi by 4 cos x plus pi by 5. Now we can further solve it. It will be equals to root 2 cos x plus pi by 5 minus pi by 4. Now if you simply solve it, you will get the value to be root 2 cos x minus pi by 20. So y will be maximum. So we know y will be maximum where cos x by pi by 2 will be equals to 1. So y will be maximum where this term will be equals to 1. So that means this term will be equals to 1 only when x minus pi by 20 will be equals to 0. So from here we can find the value of x to be equals to pi by 20. So the maximum value of this where x is belongs to 0 to pi, we have simply put the value and we have found the value to be equals to x equals to pi by 20. So I hope you guys have understood this question. If you still have any query or doubt regarding this question, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.shorabsclasses.com. Now we'll go to the next question. So now we'll go to the question number 51. So in question number 51, it is given what is the distance between the points which divide the line segment joining 4, 3 and 5, 7 initially and externally. So internally and externally in the ratio 2:3. So again I'll be repeating the question. It said what is the distance between the points which divide the line segment joining 4, 3 and 5, 7 internally and externally in the ratio 2:3. So we have this 3 options, so out of which we have to find out the right answer. So for this we know, let the point that divide internally, we'll assume let the point that divide internally is given as x1, y1. So that point which divide internally is given as x1, y1. So now we can simply find the value of x1, which will be equals to 2.5 plus 3.4 divided by 5. So we know, so it will be 2.2 into 5 and 3 into 4 divided by 5. So for which we found the value to be 5y, because it is 2 plus 3, it becomes 5. So the value will be equals to 22 by 5. So we have found the value of x1 to be equals to 22 by 5. Now similarly you can also find the value of y1, which will be equals to 2 into 7 plus 3 into 3 divided by 5, because 2 plus 3 is 5, which we have written here, and 2 into 7 first we have done, 2 into 7, and then 3 into 3. So whose value will be equals to, we know its value will be 23 by 5. So we have found x1 and y1. Now let the point that divide, I'll be doing it here. So now we are assuming, let the point which divide it externally will be say x2 and y2. Now we can also find the value of x2, which will be equals to 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 divided by, instead of 5 we'll write down what? We'll write down minus 1. So instead of 5 we'll write down minus 1. So whose value will be equals to 2. Similarly we can find the value of y2, which will be 2 into 7 minus 3 into 3 divided by minus 1, whose value will be minus 5. So now let the distance between, so now we can find the, let the distance between these 2 points can be x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 be small d. So let the distance be small d. So here the distance, let the distance be small d. So now how do we find the distance? In order to find the distance, allow me to take a page. So how do we find the distance? It is very simple. The formula is d equals to x1 minus x2. So the formula is x1 minus x2 plus whole square plus y1 plus y2 whole square. And if you simply put the value here, you will get the value to be 1 by 5 root over 12 square plus 48 square, which will be equals to 12 by 5 into 17. So we have found the value to be 12 by 5 root over 17. So now I'll go back to the question again. So we had 4 options, out of which we can see the right answer would be option A for question number 51. So for question number 50, the right answer was A. For question number 51, also the right answer is A. So I hope you guys have understood this question. If you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showedupsearchclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day ahead.